Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix video resolution not supported at this time. This kind of error occur when you try to upload a video on TikTok which has resolution greater than 1080 pixel, which means you want to upload a video which has 4K resolution. So I will tell you when this kind of error occur. So first of all, you have to open the TikTok and you want to upload a video which is higher than resolution of 1080 pixel. And if you click on next and you want to upload that video, then this kind of error occurs. So without wasting any time, I will tell you how you can fix that. First of all, you have to close the app. After that, you have to install an app which is named as InShot. You have to open that app and you have to open that video in that app so that you can reduce the resolution of that video in that app. If you select that video, then here if you click on save, then they will tell you can save that video in 1080 pixels. Moreover, you can also do other settings as well. If you click on save, and after saving this video InShot in 1080 pixel, you can easily upload that video without any error. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.